Walking is one of the best ways to see Washington, D.C. Here is a sample one-day walking itinerary to see 6 of D.C.'s major historic sites. The total walk time in this itinerary is just over 1 hour with about 10 minutes of walking between sites. Start at the Thomas Jefferson Memorial. This beautiful monument is situated on the tidal basin and offers stunning views of the water and the surrounding city. This is where the famous cherry blossoms are located when they bloom in the early spring. Next, walk over to the International Spy Museum. This fascinating museum is dedicated to the history of espionage and features exhibits on everything from code breaking to spy gadgets. This is not a free attraction, so you will have to purchase tickets. From the Spy Museum, make your way to the National Air and Space Museum. This museum is home to some of the most iconic artifacts in the history of aviation and space exploration. Spend some time exploring the museum's exhibits and learning about the history of flight. While this museum is free to enter, you still may need to get a ticket for a timed entry. After the National Air and Space Museum, head to the US Botanical Gardens. This beautiful indoor garden is home to a stunning array of plants from all around the world. Different areas are climate controlled to allow different types of plants to grow. Next, head to the United States Capitol building. This iconic building is the seat of the US Congress and features stunning architecture and beautiful artwork throughout. You can take a tour of the Capitol or you can simply walk its grounds. Finally, end your itinerary with a short walk from the Capitol to the Supreme Court. This beautiful building is the home of the highest court in the United States. It features stunning architecture and artwork throughout. Take a tour of the Supreme Court to learn about its history and the important cases that have been heard there. You can end your day of sightseeing at one of the restaurants located in Capitol Hill or along 8th Street. For more on Washington, D.C.'s food, lifestyle, activities, and hotels, be sure to subscribe to this channel.